We are visiting 5 of the top Roman pizza places, and these are very famous local pizzerias making hundreds of pizzas every evening. They represent tradition but also past and the future of Rome's pizza baking. 4 of them are traditional Roman thin crust pizza places, and one of them is Neapolitan Pizzeria. So let's go! Here I am in front of the Evo Trastevere restaurant. This is a well-known local restaurant serving the best in crust pizza as well as other local Roman foods. So let's go! Evo Trastevere is a 60-year-old pizzeria that has some of the oldest pizza chefs in the city, and one of them has been making pizzas here for around 40 years. One of their trademarks is Buffalo Bill pizza with buffalo mozzarella and cherry tomatoes. And this is their version of pizza capricciosa. Perfectly thin and crunchy on the crust, and very nice and tasty in the center. I decided to order pizza salsiccia and some fried croquettes. Very tasty looking pizza with sausage. This is a famous thin crust Roman style pizza. The dough is very light and the crust is quite crunchy. So this pizza is really out of this world. You can see a bit of air in the dough, but the thing is it's soft in the middle. It's really crunchy here at the end. And this sausage here, homemade sausage, is for me the star of the show. An incredible pizza. If you want to try a real thin crust Roman style pizza, this is the place. Behind me is Pizzeria La Montecarlo, so let's check it out. Very busy kitchen of La Montecarlo, almost as a racing track, and a team of skilled pizzaiolos are as precise as a clock. These pizzas here are called Montecarlo, named after this pizzeria, and they are trademark of this place. Just overfilled with ingredients from onion, artichokes, sausage, an egg, mushrooms, tomato sauce, olives, and even a roast pepper. Bubbling up the thin crust Roman delicacies. And off they go. But what else is cooking? Pasta vongole ready to go out. Rainy evening in Rome and a perfect time for some authentic thin crust Roman style pizza. Our pizza calzone is getting ready and the main ingredients are prosciutto crudo, mozzarella and eggs and some mushrooms. Montecarlo pizza waiting its turn for the oven. Just rich with everything Montecarlo pizza and nice colored calzone. All the ingredients you could wish for are on top of this pizza. Mouth-watering pizza calzone full of cheese and mushrooms and perfectly baked. The pizzas are here and we are very eager to dig in. Egg yolk bursting and soaking up this pizza. Delicious ingredients on top and perfectly baked at the bottom. This pizza is an overkill in any possible meaning. It's just full of toppings, it's crunchy on the side, it's juicy inside, it has meat, it has artichoke, it has anything you could wish on pizza, and it's a true and proper Roman style thin crust, so let's go. For me, this is a pure heaven. All these flavors inside, and especially the pepper. It's such a good taste to this pizza, plus everything else involved. Amazing. Just an outstanding Roman pizza. A last slice of my Montecarlo pizza, and I'm not giving up on it. I'm gonna finish it. Cheers. Pizza Montecarlo is what I needed on this rainy evening in Rome. But let's not forget the pizza calzone. So let's go. Calzone is practically dissolving. Tasty, juicy, thin pastry. Again, delicious pizza. A great evening at Montecarlo Pizzeria. We really enjoyed both pizzas and desserts, the atmosphere as well on this rainy evening in Rome. So, see you at the next place. Marmi is 93 years old pizzeria and it's one of the busiest pizzerias in Rome and maybe even in Italy. They also do the traditional Roman pizza. Huge number of orders both for eating in and takeaway. And I've never seen so many pizzas being made and baked at once. Prices for pizzas range from 7,80 up to maybe 13 euros per pizza. Grazie mille. Oh, bellissimo. This pizza is a pure work of art. Thin crust pizza, finally here. All the ingredients here are added afterwards, once the pizza topped with mushrooms is baked. Look at all that coloring on the bottom. Saltiness of prosciutto crudo, very mild taste of artichoke, cheese, mushrooms. Wow, this is a festival of flavors. Now
Now this slice is a bit different, full of black olives and a slice of boiled egg. Let's go.
Just look how thin this pizza pastry is, yet it stays together, it's crunchy on the end. If there is such thing as pizza perfection, this is as close as it gets. Perfectly baked Roman-style thin crust pizza. Here I am in front of the Seu Pizza Illuminati, one of the best ranked pizzas in Rome. This is Neapolitan-style pizza. The restaurant looks a little bit fancy for what I'm used to when going to Neapolitan pizzerias, but let's give it a try.
Buonasera.
Buonasera. This place usually needs reservation, and if you want to order something, this is the menu. They use this QR code menu, and this is definitely the fanciest Neapolitan pizzeria that I was in. The pizzas look amazing, true Neapolitan, but let's order something and try. Pink pizza? I don't think I will be ordering pink pizza. I ordered classic margherita pizza with buffalo cheese. Okay, so this has to be the most beautiful Neapolitan pizza ever. If pizza was judged solely by looks, these guys are the winners. There isn't much of a crunch on cornicione, on the crust, but it is full of air. And even when you take a slice, it's really light. The tomato sauce is San Marzano, so the premium tomato sauce from Campania, and it has that acidic taste but also sweetness to it. This is a top ingredient. Mozzarella is also quite good. The dough in the middle is soft, but also a bit on the chewy side. Cornicione has slight crunchiness, but it's mostly soft. Full of air though. Basil is put afterwards fresh, so that kind of creates a bit of change in taste than when you usually eat margherita. I've chosen bufalina or margherita pizza with mozzarella bufala on purpose because this is the basic pizza, and here you can really test and taste the dough, these ingredients which make margherita great pizza. And this pizza fulfills everything that Neapolitan pizza should. Behind me is Remo at Testaccio, and this is one of the several iconic pizzerias in Rome. Classic wood-fired oven delivering pizzas non-stop. Insanely busy place and a staircase made of pizzas. crazy and busy. I somehow got a table because a lot of people are waiting and I didn't book in advance, so I was lucky, obviously. My pizza is here and I ordered sausage and mushroom pizza, and while the center looks amazing, unfortunately the crust has been burnt, so this is like you win some and then you lose some. I guess I'll have to avoid eating the crust. Perfectly baked at the bottom, nice toppings, the only minus is that blackish cornicione. Almost paper thin pizza and very crunchy, of course since it has been slightly overbaked, but even so very tasty pizza. Total price €12. Great experience just being at this pizzeria at this hour, and it's not even weekend and it's absolutely crazy with people, it's so busy. These were hand-picked pizzerias in Rome, most of them very old, all of them iconic and with some of the oldest pizza masters in the city. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. All the best.
Ecco.